Let's talk about the latest launched Apple smartphone iPhone 15 Pro Max, with titanium design. Now, let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display with dynamic island, with 6.7-inch Quad HD display, with resolution of 1290 by 2796 pixels, and with 19.59 aspect ratio, with 89.8% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 460 ppi pixel density, and with 120 Hz refresh rate, and with ceramic shield glass protection, and with punch-hole display. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 48 megapixel main wide camera, along with 12 megapixel periscope telephoto camera, and with the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. For selfies it has 12 megapixel wide camera, with punch hole display. For the software, the handset turns on iOS 17 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is hexa-core, powered by Apple A17 Pro chipset, paired with Apple GPU, 6-core graphics. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 256GB, or 512 GB, 1TB of NVMe onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical damages of the smartphone measures at 159.9 by 76.7 by 8.3 mm, and it weighs around 221 grams, and the color options: natural titanium, black titanium, blue titanium, white titanium, colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 4422 mAh battery, with 20-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features Face ID. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C charging port, and with IP68, dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max has been priced starts from $1199 US. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.